here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Franklin.
Hi.
Who's making something so delicious. Tell us what we're doing.
We're making a buffalo wing cheese spread, Super Bowl and everything that happens with family and friends. We thought about sharing something that's very popular.
Awesome, let's do it.
Start with your wet ingredients. We're gonna use mayonnaise.
Just a little?
Just a little mayonnaise, a little sour cream. This is very simple to make. Blend those two guys together. Then we're gonna add a little hot sauce.
That's what I'm talking
The
about.
difference right there. I mean, you put as much as you want.
For me,
I like to
a lot.
put a little
Yes.
more there, a little bit more.
I like when my mouth hurts.
We're gonna do a little blue cheese magic.
Wow.
We're using our own Uncle G crumbled blue cheese. Mix it very well. Last ingredient will be our very own shredded buffalo wing cheddar. Very unique item here at Uncle Giuseppe. So you're gonna put a very generous amount of it.
I would be honored.
There you go.
Good?
enough? Yeah, good enough, yeah.
Oh, I love when I can help.
Plate it into a oven-ready pan.
I have a feeling a lot of people will be making this.
Oh yeah, this is a lot of fun
And delicious.
and delicious. You can enjoy it cold. I personally like to heat it up in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes, and we'll see what the consistency comes out.
Awesome.
And voila, Lily. Look at that.
Look at that bubbling and that cheesy goodness.
You have got to taste that.
Well, when it cools off so I don't burn my mouth on TV. Well, guys, if you'd like to try this, head to our website, news12.com. You'll find the recipe there. That looks amazing. Thank you, Franklin.